These beans and cassava porridge will get you so salivating, guys. Please watch the video. This is a very delicious meal. Hello viewers, welcome back to Machine Art channel, and if you're joining us for the first time, welcome. Today viewers, on this channel we'll be doing a tutorial on how to make or cook beans and cassava porridge. I tell you guys, when you eat this, you're going to enjoy it. I never knew it could be this enjoyable, this delicious, until I tried. Please guys, follow me up as I guide you. Now, first you need your beans and your cassava. Then you wash the beans, and soak it in water for 3 to 10 minutes. Say 10 minutes or even 15, guys, as the case may be. And drain the water, then wash it again and drain the water. Then you peel the cassava and cut it into nice shape. All right. Once you finish doing that, I'll be guiding you. The thing with beans is either you soak it up in water and discard the water after some minutes, or if you choose to cook it and discard the water, it's fine. But I prefer to soak beans in water for maybe 10 to 15 minutes, and discard the water, guys, before I begin the cooking process. All right. So once I soak the beans, after washing and removing all the impurities, and if there was any sand or anything, I'll pick it. Or if there is any sand, I'll pick it. Then for the cassava, I'll peel and cut into pieces. Okay. Then I'm going to do what? Now guide you on the next stage on how to go about it, guys. Now, but before then, after washing the beans, I'll go ahead and do what? Put it on fire and let it start cooking or cook to get soft. Then we'll proceed, okay? Oh yes, guys, the beans is soft now, as you can see. So we'll proceed to the next stage. All right, I'm going to be adding the cassava, cassava and seasoning. You see here I have the cassava, the seasoning, the pepper, the spices, and salt. I'll go ahead and add it to the pot. Then do what? Add it to the pot of the boiling beans you saw earlier. And do what, guys? And add some palm oil. And I'll cover it and allow it to, boil for some time, such that the spices will mix up well in the food and the cassava will be well cooked before I bring it down. And I tell you guys, after cooking this, it's gonna be delicious. I never knew I could cook beans with cassava until I tried. Now check out the results, guys. So yeah, oh yeah, guys, this now the food. All right, yeah, this food tastes so delicious, just so delicious. If you cook this, I promise you, you always want to have some fresh cassava in the house to cook some beans and enjoy. Yeah, subscribe to Machine Art channel for more uploads. Always like and share our videos, guys. Thank you for watching and always returning to our channel.